Radiant floor heating alters slab layouts and can change where pests like termites access a building, so evaluate pest impacts during new home construction. When planning radiant tubing layout, coordinate early with pest control so termiticide zones and physical barriers are mapped around tubing runs and slab penetrations. Mark tubing positions on as-built plans and keep a minimum setback where local codes require barriers to prevent compromises. Ensure slab perimeter barriers remain continuous by routing tubing outside barrier zones when possible or by using boxed conduit sleeves that allow barrier continuity. If tubing must cross a barrier, document each crossing and reseal with compatible barrier materials after installation. Where codes and product labels permit, consider post-pour trench treatments around the slab edge to restore a treated zone, but confirm compatibility with the floor heating system and concrete curing schedules. Maintain proper grading and drainage to reduce soil moisture against the slab, which attracts subterranean pests, and avoid planting beds or irrigation near the foundation that increase humidity under flooring. For multi-layer slabs or insulation under slab, verify that any protective membranes do not create voids that encourage insect harborage and that pest technicians can access inspection points. Always consult both heating contractors and pest professionals during design and before pour, so each specialty can suggest routing, sleeve types, and treatment timing that avoid rework. Common mistakes include installing tubing before coordinating barriers, which leads to drilled or cut barriers and expensive repairs. The fix is to pause tubing work, document penetrations, and reseal or reapply barrier materials per product instructions. Another issue is assuming underslab insulation prevents moisture problems. If grading and drainage are ignored, higher soil moisture will still attract pests. So, correct slope and perimeter drains and relocate irrigation away from the foundation. A third frequent problem is relying solely on one trade for solutions without cross-consultation. Avoid this by scheduling a joint meeting between the plumber or HVAC installer, the concrete contractor, and the pest technician, and by keeping shared as-built drawings on site. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where builders and pest pros share practical tips about installations like radiant floors. We help contractors find work by listing projects and letting them engage directly with homeowners and peer discussions.